some people, we have some things to share with you know, because Pretty Dan come out and address some things, including Spice, you know what I mean, and Spice being on TikTok, and TJ them a show her all for the match on TikTok or something. So Pretty Dan is against that, and then I go hear why she's against that. You see me, I don't know, say Pretty Dan no put down him mouth a ground and chat when him a chat. Express himself and no business or feel some type of way. See, so she bother even come out my people and address TJ because it look like say she bother not like how TJ like take the spotlight certain way from Alpha Maya or whatever. But people, you are going. Maya, I want a person will get hurt in that situation, yes. But remember, a TJ was the target and him get more sight. You see me? Me I wonder why some people don't like TJ. See? And Rosalie even come out and I say some things to my people because I don't know, so Rosalie and TJ did have for them issue, right? And people I say Rosalie are one of the person where them did expect better from, like she should have come out. Is a bag of things that go on this in my people. Me tell you no say yo, this TJ Ramesh thing did go cause a divide and it did my people. And you see the people them on the Ramesh side is like them strong. Them are this TJ. Cause me share with you this morning how Cheese deal with TJ. And as me say people, me I wonder why people not like TJ certain way. You see me? Me no know of him as a person who are grown and I make trouble. You see me? Although him have him issue with Rosalie or him pull up our yard and them something there. But we're gonna get in everything with people. Also Mackerel backup blinger pan alive. And boy, we don't know Mackerel already. Mackerel go talk the things them and don't even business. You see me? So we're gonna get into that with people. So we're gonna kick it off with Shibata and then we'll get into the rest.
TJ operates like you just got nominated for the BET Awards. Morning, my baby. Flowing morning. Don't know where the pandemic and if I see somebody pandemic get tally. We are gonna stand up for justice, but me gonna stand up for the brotherhood. We wanna keep the peace. The level of wickedness, you woman are earth and yellow clouds. You woman are earth, when we see Maya sit up on the live and cry. Me not care about you. But this is the thing, when you see the girl break down and live, because it's embarrassing to cry in live, and I don't know how to practice it, but it's embarrassing, you know. To shed tears, you know, it's a form of weakness, you know. I talk it from my life and say, when you play back in on the head and you see how you go through the situation, you never ask on yourself in your tears, how did I get here? How? How did I get here? You have to ask yourself the question. So when you sit down on life and go like you want to hurt feelings, TJ, you can't hurt my feelings because number one, me never wake up in a split. Never yet. Maya, get up out of your garden, get up out of your flowers. Get up and come get your man. Maya, come get TJ because he's going to flap you out. Come and get TJ because TJ now take this thing serious. Oh. Yeah, come get your man. Then you go sit down on your life and talk, say, you never expect that from Rosalie. Rosalie should not bag and make Maya excuse and what kind of thing that and you get a thump in your face. You know much embarrassment you give your woman that you always promise her protection and you're weak under attack. You're weak. It doesn't matter how much of them did always fight win a walkway. Walk away. Your woman there. Walk away. But no, you have a point where you have to get across. Nobody don't care about TJ, you know, understand the internet, you know. No one cares who lick TJ. They just want to know him get it. End of discussion. Nobody cares. But when them see the severity of it and the tongue cry and the wave where to make, you understand me? It's true that them are defend because it could have been for them picnic. You think people who talk about kids that meet in a fit or kids that go under some incident, you think them care about the child? They care about the incident because it could have come at their doorstep. They don't know the child. They don't know the child. So when the first thing me hear is, you know, I could have addressed you a long time in a TJ before you even call me. I could have addressed you a long time. Yeah, man, them know my baby woman. I could have addressed you a long time. Long. No, she tell me, she said she don't know me. Thanks. I want to pay you now, you know. I want to pay you now, but you know if you have done change.
Want to be
I remember say I pay British pound here, you know.
I got message that they just touched down from the airport.
Yeah, I want to, if it's later, I pay you.
Then I message what I'm doing.
Yeah, we have done change. I pay British pound. Yeah. It's true. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, TJ. You have to spend more time on the too high. You know, so there is, you know, make you get linked, TJ. A highlight, you know. A highlight. It's like when you found it fitting to come and keep it like an award ceremony. And the same reason why you get linked. Highlight. You see, you want an highlight in the presence of people who don't like you. Them are gonna lick you. A man, let me tell you, hate a man who like the mirror more than him woman. I mean, I say you're funny, me not say you this, me not say you that. You understand what I say? Me just say this. Me hate a man who like the mirror more than him woman. You love the spotlight more than the situation that is at hand. You understand me? You love the spotlight. You like the spotlight of it. Every single thing when you find clothes in her. Every single thing. And you don't realize that you're not making a.
Alright, some people, I wonder why so much people have an issue with TJ, especially when it comes to him like recording and them something there at events and something. Remember, you know, you got one event to enjoy yourself. You want to have the memories too. You see me, I say you want to see the people them will come out, especially you have these people where you and them, you that say a co-worker and them something there. And you want to just record what go on so that you have it, you can post up on your thing and them way there. So these people, they must say, boy, the man love video too much and him annoying and them way there. Everybody can't be the same. You see me, I say, people have to be different. You see me? And sometimes a person are aware of how them are annoy the next person, but I just them that you have to just learn to live with people. You see me? So where she bother say about TJ and how say boy him like him a run down his spotlight more than Maya. The people them are coming to him, so it's like him can't run them or don't give them any attention and them way. Them have to make sure say him receive what them a give him. Cause Maya now go live, you know. And Maya have to pretty up on something before she go up on her live. You see me? So Marian I go have the time to come on TJ live and I say Ray. You see me at TJ I have be the one at the front and just talk to the people them. But let me know what I think with people. I watch some more.
Anyway, for others, you could be a pioneer in this situation. Because of this situation, it will never and would never and could never happen to nobody again. Just because of this situation. And that you're not doing. Your top star rules the situation. You don't want to make a difference, you don't want to make a change. You want to get a highlight out of it. And the same reason why you get linked. Because you look highlights. And the same reason why the policeman threw in on the dirt. Because we're not intelligent enough to know. All I know, your woman can't come back to the internet like how she used to be. All I know. Me say from you get the beat now, you have to come on the next day. Me just stop look for you, cause TJ me gonna tell you some suck out. Me gonna tell you some suck out. Honestly, I'm the neighbor of the rebel party. Honestly, me gonna tell you some suck out. You know why? You are so obligated and baptized to the internet that anything when you want to bring news first. You used to the Lord's Supper, you want to break bread. You don't realize that because of your mouth, Maya got pushed in the garden. Because of your mouth. You don't realize that because of your ego, your woman nearly have a concussion. She said, Maya, now get about it. Maya, come now. Come, the world will fight for you. Come, get up. Come, my baby, brush off your knee. You don't realize that all I know, you milk it in order to stay relevant. You wicked. He's a wicked man. Look close. You're upset over what Rosalie said. Why shouldn't Rosalie say? This is a question. I am not defending Rosalina because she's very inhumane. Why Rosalie shouldn't say it when you and Rosalie are not friends? Rosalie, but you see me and you hug me up. So what? Judas kissed Jesus. Just make that respect now. It's for you to forgive Romisha and of Rosalie. A lot of persons won't talk about this situation. A lot of persons won't rub you in a TJ because them have it to say everybody is for you, not realizing that everybody is for the situation and not for the individual. Always miss it. When I have a lot of following, but yet still if you put on a function, nobody not turn up. You see what I miss? They like the freeness of it, but not the cost. You understand me? So when you see me still on yourself, didn't I spoke about Spice when everybody are rush her? Everybody know the relationship between me and Spice. Everybody. They know that we're deeply in love. Everybody know the relationship between me and Spice. They know twin, where have you been? Everybody know. But we don't rush the lady because she's speaking on the case of Romish. What did I say? You don't have to like the individual. TJ, you see what you get because I pay a hypocrite lick you. You know why I pay a hypocrite lick you? Because you're a hypocrite too. You're a hypocrite too. That's why you're pure hypocrite lick you. You know so quick you come for look out of your demise. You don't care about your manhood. You don't care about that. You don't care how you prove to the net that you're big, bad, and mighty. All I got gym. Come go a party with me. Not gonna more gym. You understand me? And you roll around in front of your woman. The humiliation of it. You understand me? You're not getting it all now. You want to sit on the internet and people pity you with gifts. And you're rank. And you nail it. So your life don't mean nothing to you. You could have, but you're glad you come back to get the recognition of Tops and Rose. Let us talk now because people not talking and through them uneducated, them can't pencil it. Them can't put ink to parchment. So you have Roger out a road about out him short while you don't care. No, I'm lock it up, my baby.
Alright, some people where she bother say about TJ is me. Here we go on. You see, there's a lot of profession and jobs also where you really have to sell your soul. Not fully, you know, cause I know everybody go to the extreme with certain things, but on a level, them sell them soul. So when it come to social media personality, so when it come to like even TikTokers, them now go hold nothing to a level where them are go put it over, forget them Tops and Roses. Tops and Roses come before everything, because that's how they make them money. So with this situation with TJ, you know, TJ, him know say him a go get a little push when it come to gifts and them something there, and also him want interact with them people them. Me not go say him a do it fully for the gifts or whatever, but you know what I mean, the people them a show him love and him a accept the love, you know what I mean, and some of the love when them a show him, it come in gifts, so him have to accept the gifts also. That are them work. So these Tops and Roses come first when it come to TikTokers. You know what I mean? Not say him not feel some type of way about the situation, he does. You see me? But him have to still do him work, right? Cause enough time we in a situation and we still have to figure out work. So I just same thing but on a different level. Look at what some more.
Nobody invest in our no. Let me just use that word. Now you see why people not invest in our no. Because they think you're better than Rosalie and TJ. You're not better. You are not better than Rosalie. You are just as uneducated like Rosalie. For sure, you're not better. You have a Rosalie because she's not giving you the highlight. That's the only way. You see, I ring my uncle tomorrow morning and Rosalie say I have good fish about that. I expected of Rosalie and I can't eat Rosalie tomorrow morning. I cannot eat her tomorrow morning if she say I good. It is expected for our enemies to class with in our lowest point. So when you sit down and you say, Judge a star, McCann, he's a hypocrite and a mix-up, and you add fire to fuel. You threw them a cancel Rosalie now, you add to it. Why you not add to Ramesh? You're very selective. Why you not adding to Ramesh? Me tell you, say a whole heap of red flags, me say I could have talk, I'm not talking. The only reason why you're upset over the fact that Rosalie said this about you is just because they want to cancel her too. So teach you who you really like. Ain't because you sit with them, laugh with them, hug them. All I know I'm not upset with Ramesh, but I'm vexed with Rosalie. And avenue for me say a couple of weeks ago that I don't even remember about because you and I we are not friends. So me now go all over say about you in my memory. You understand me? Me now go do that because we are not friends and we never will be. So it's so unfortunate that you have it lodged in your spirit. So till all them roll around and you still never let it go. Why you never leave when them drop you? Why you never leave that part? Why you never leave it in the dirt? Why you bring it? You see? Yeah, and this make you get leak. Highlights. Two times you get beaten and you quickly forgive, but you can't forgive Rosalie for saying what she said about you. You cannot forgive Rosalie. Remember you turn up her gates. Your woman depend it and she's embarrassed. And you come on the internet and smile. Why am I not saying that I'm wicked to no own situation? Wicked to their own situation. This is highlight. But just let me tell you this, nobody not fighting for your TJ. They are fighting for the situation. They don't care about you. Because you know the internet don't want you get $2 though. You man the internet don't want you all two salada. You never know that? Honestly, you see if I did a little boy box here, somebody here says there were one man with box here. The internet would have thrown it up to today day. But you see because them have their drag you, and that is not even funny. You see because them bounce mayonnaise flowers, Jesus, give a lady, you know, get up. Get up, you have to take this thing to a whole new level. Stand up. All flowers there for your ankle. That's it. You're not taking it seriously. Yeah, hype it out. You know, I don't understand with TJ. Like you listen but you're not hear. When Zumaman wake up the man because Candy and King Donia allow us to listen to Zumaman. Say no, Zumaman have the information he will tell you. Alright, when Zumaman woke up the morning now, TJ, let me show you how you're disrespectful to Maya. Cause you know this nobody else you know you this Maya in everything we do on the internet. You disrespect your woman and nobody knows that. You disrespect the girl. When the girl want you to stand up behind her, you're busy at Taps and Rose, and as she alone get pushed down for you because you're busy. Andre, no! Andre! Okay, my camera. Teacher do this to Maya. You know, like when you stand up for your friend against some wickedness, and when you take a step, after 2 minutes, the wickedness, and your friend are friend. And that's him do to Maya. And that Maya the only one will take push down for you. Maya the only, because teacher me never gonna take no lick for you, know. To God and all mankind, I pledge love and I have something another. Remember me not fully Jamaican, so we don't know it. You get what me I say? No.
He may say heal up Jakes because I know him enough. So enough. TJ say Jakes on the party and heal up Jakes. And I said Jakes, why TJ saying that heal up? Yeah, TJ a friend. Where you know TJ from? You have a TikTok page? Him just want to know say him know you. Cause the boy they want to carry a Swiss League party and more than one, but him don't know who is Jakes. But the run come here because they want to know say him know you. Them look something them you tell about the nigga. But you hear Jakes, are you and Jakes a friend? No. So I start watching in my mind. So when Jakes on here, I say Jakes you say better to TJ enough. Cause him don't know you, you know. But you him see me more and Mel more than the other band them behind me. He knows how you name Jakes. Cause he might come and hug me up on the things them. We don't have to hear Jakes. You don't know Jakes, I'm no way. You could have known that him name Jakes. But show you how him say, but I don't really watch that because I know him now. Me know him enough, you know. Me don't know who pan things knows a teacher enough, but I know him enough. I know. Thank you, chat for the game. I know. Yeah. I want to say these things about it, the more I come hate you. You can't hate me for my opinion, brother, because when story come out with other people and you vice yours, nobody not hate you. And that me not like, boy. I don't know me can come here, I still have a lot of loyal fans who want to come say me not come here for 2 days or 3 them text me. Rosalie, how oh, when I see you? What do you? But you're biased. I regularly pick out argument and vice your own opinion. Regularly we see it and know it. You pick up argument and advise your own opinion and nobody bully you. But they come on to me and show them well want to cancel my name for some reason. For some reason them want to.
Alright, my people. So, one thing I hope say TJ learn from all of this is that not everybody is your friend and not everybody you have to run into. You have to respect yourself in a way where if this a person and a show certain like interest for link with me certain way, me now push up in at them. That person have one link with you for you push up in at them. You won't get no shame, no embarrassment, nothing like that. You see me? Because everybody have one thing to say, the dog enough. But me not think enough him enough. He's just a friendly youth. You know what I mean? Where him and other people I do the same thing and him feel like say yo them cool. You know what I mean? So I hope him learn from this because it could have worse. You see me? And for Rosalie this TJ and people, me not see nothing wrong with that because them say all is fear and love and war. Seeing I me not think TJ and Rosalie good. Them did kick off much time. Right? Me not feel like say them did good. So if Rosalie want this him, Rosalie more him can diss him if he want, cause as me say me not think them a friend. Right? And them say don't kick a man when him down. You have other people who say at the best time to kick him. You understand what I say? So make watch some more people.
Cancel my name. I meet turn down pan. Read the room, you couldn't get them a big embarrassment there. All over Facebook, I say, I just skip past and kiss my teeth. Come on, I tell you, TJ put for me at 2 a.m. a gangster setting that. So you're supposed to have gangster road blood in you. And I say, Romish do you right, you know. What Romish do you wrong. You understand what Romish do you, Romish is totally wrong. If you want to sue Romish, fine. If you want to lock up Andrea, sue Andre, fine. Any one of them hit tell, sue them. Sue them. But you cause this on upon yourself. As all time people say, we don't got follow and shoot by you. You cause it by yourself, brother. Because if Jakes, they go in argument with people and then beat me and Jakes one time. Jakes would have caused it probably if you get peer leak. I'm going to cuss him. Yeah. I'm going to come home and have a piece of hot water when I come home. Come on, Jakes, enough. When you can't hold argument with people, them go out with them and go, man. People is for change. People spirit, and I tell you this about people. I want to know in a life. Some people fake. That's number one. Some people spirit is for change. You would there with a man all along and do the things them. Tamara. I spirit just change for him. I saw people stay. You can't say anybody had a friend. Look here what you do for people, they will do you the worst. Some people cannot tame either. Them just fake. You have to know them something, the brother. You're a big man or bigger than me. Why you make me have to tell that or tell these people these things? You can't blame me for your incident or your accident. I was on a view in my opinion. I never saw them for hurt you. Why would I want them to hurt you? I just say you could avoid from being hurt if you just leave Ramesh alone. But true, you look friend from Ramesh. And Ramesh should run a friend for you, that's why it happened. Because if Ramesh should have as a friend, he wouldn't do it. And that you know. Yeah. But tell it straight up. I know all on the class, but say I pick up Ramesh already, you know, but I not even care. He said Ramesh they want a friend from you, TJ Tug Life. Him wouldn't do that. Him wouldn't do that. When I talk to him one way with that joy, one way, and have a one-way conversation, he wouldn't even talk in front of the men them. Don't want a friend from you. They like push up in a people too much. If you learn to read the room, yeah. Fake expression for me tells. Yeah. Cause some people look at you saying, no. Face it, you have to learn to read the room. Cause me I got my head out there, Mr. Ramesh. And Ramesh answer me with him, I look back on Ramesh. Ask Jakes. Mr. Ramesh, him said, June to Ramesh there, you know. And Mr. Ramesh want him say, yeah, Rosalie, I feel away, I never look upon him. Me? For me ear, him answer me, I say no. Why Ramesh answer me like me and him have something. I just walk away. But that's how Jakes come. Uno come. And the dog them by the side of me must say, but why Ramesh answer the girl? So him say, yeah, Rosalie. Me just say come, me no question it. Sometimes we question things too much. You can't question God. So we have question people for. You know, when people thoughts, a man will go so and fake. It goes so. Till you take a little time and come down to. When you're gone, when you turn your back. You are Ramesh your friend, if you have Ramesh as a friend, Ramesh is not a friend. If you are Ramesh your friend, I just say Ramesh wouldn't make the man them do the things them. Can't say you're too hype. And we knew this. You must take some accountability to TJ. You can't let everything Ramesh, that's all I was saying. You have to take some too. You put yourself in our position for them do your things. Because if you never send on to Ramesh and go, yeah, this wouldn't happen. Adapt me, I said to that. That's all I was trying to say. If you never up me more to Ramesh and just go on with your business, this wouldn't happen. But you are look friend on the walk, I look friend too much. Me not have no friend more than he or she. Part-time girl a glow, Shanshan and Barbara, them gone about them business, which is them college school. And I can't teach them. Not even Jackson are my friend. Because when him piss me off, me would chat him. And him know. But me not chat Shanshan and me not chat Barbara. And me not talk about girl a glow under me. Those are my friends. Yeah, Ramesh, your friend never used to hold and you idolize man who want to lick you up. But you don't idolize a girl who got to tell you, none of the people that hate you. Eh? Oh, me forgot idolize a man who want to lick me right up. But me not gonna idolize a girl who got to tell me, say, the people them not like if you don't want binoculars. Me know people not like me, I don't need binoculars to see it. But as long as I know some of them can't get close to me. Me know all people don't like me, but I don't need binoculars to see it. Me come here, come cuss and come class people every day. I might work that. I don't go road alone. If I go road alone, I because I'm fear for my life. I'm gonna come here every day, come in a store with people. You come every day, you will trace and do the things in the comment section. You have fear for your life too. Anybody can play a road. We can't have a biggest enemy away powerful with reach at the event. That's why I got. That's why them ask me I got rebel party. I tell them no, me a rebel and a friend. Cause them can't know my location. But pop up, you can't know what time I reach neither. We don't like these things when people tell you that. You care how I say they get what me I say. But true, you not like me from at all the time. You only use me because you don't want to come in my cabana. You make it seem like when I say it's ugly. But Jaden say your bestie way around behind her. Yeah. You get beat up and you first come live. You would even surprise the crowd. People them say, what are you first come live? Because what? You look clothes out of your own situation. That's pathetic. Can't listen to teacher, you want to know, you don't really nobody for you, you know. And since Ramesh lick you, you're there all about, you know. Pink Wall never posted yet, you know. Pink Wall never grab you up yet. Sometimes I tell myself, say, thank God me live in a bad house because Pink Wall type of post me with the wall where sometimes mark up and chalk up like this. Pink Wall never posted yet. You fight to be a public figure upon you. Yeah. Yeah. Remember when I really like, remember say I rarely screen card catch you. I since now screen card can start catch enough. Your woman don't even like when screen card touch her. I don't know, no screen card. You want to be this big thing and you get the highlight. For John Public must also tip to themselves say them whatever you Friday night and you come out yesterday around. Nothing do you? Not having nothing do you? Yeah, but Monday me that look fierce still, you know. Me that must come out so because you're not safe for fire. But on Monday me that look fierce still. Yeah. Cause me know you gonna come. Me know you gonna, you're not safe far. Yeah. You would have seen him on Thursday, Friday. Him test the water, you say she after. When you pull up on my yard at 2 a.m., me never hear woman come say nothing. Right? And then the people them say, well, the people them say, me say, well, whatever. I made it say anyway. You never come for do nothing, but you come for drive fear in me. Whenever I tell them say that, me did say. You never come for no kind of suppose they care. But the moment you appear, you are trying to let me know, say, girl, me know you live, so you don't follow me up. And that vibe they give me TJ. You never literally do nothing. I was on live. Why? You're not stupid. But the vibes they do me, the vibes they give me know where you live. My sister, I know where you live. They can pull up at any time. And them the vibes they give me. Yeah. I tell you the truth. Them the vibes they give me say, you know where I live. You can pull up at any given moment. But it's okay. It's okay. Them the vibes they give me. So I know what the big alabaloo and the people them a swarm me and gang me and I do the things them. The people them a swarm me and gang me and do the things them. Like me they say Ramesh right here. Mr. Right for do him do to you. But at the end of the day, TJ, you have to know for read the room, you have to know road code. Me as a girl, when I'm afraid of nobody, never gonna stand in front of nobody with 4 man. Cause the first thing first, you could have Ramesh as friend and Ramesh have as a friend. That's the number one. I don't even go down on 2, 3, 4, and 5. For your text Ramesh and make you know say you're too hype. You're too hype. You're supposed to say why Ramesh said that to me. I read between the lines from this so. I know so if I ever anything to the assault or whatever you, me not go in an argument with Ramesh and walk away. You know the people them say when them come and say me switch my mouth and say Ramesh is very careful true. So that means that them over there type of you so you pass some remarks. And that them over there tell you, can them type it say yes myself for true. True card is there when I did not say that. I say Ramesh is wrong, but you're enough. Me know you're enough. Most of the people on social media know you're enough. Them just don't like to see eye to eye with the truth. Because if some I want to know what is the reason. What is the reason why this happened? What causes it? And true, me not gonna go with everybody I say, yo, me not like you. Me don't know where your arm for you. When me I eat for you never arm on this for me. Can you make a video about me and class me the most way? You never arm Chandra and Barbara, so when me I eat for. You the arm none of my kids them know, so when me I eat for. People will always see the narrative about the situation. But a real industry gangster will always see what I'm saying.
So my people, me I telling you this, right? Me never expect Rosalie to come out and talk bad about Ramesh and big up TJ because Rosalie and TJ no good, right? So whatever Rosalie say, it not go surprise me. We don't know how some people surprised by what Rosalie say about TJ. People are gonna pick them side. Me don't tell you no say yo, this are gonna be a divide on TikTok because people are gonna pick them side. You see me? And these people when them pick them side, them right for the person where them pick. Them not go split justice in no way. Them are go pick up for the person where them pick, right? So that I go on here now. So let me know what you think, my people. We are watch just a little bit more Rosalie and then we are going to go over to the next thing with Pretty Danny and all.
TJ don't get it twisted. Most of the people on TikTok see the screen card and see what me I say. They just not comment. They see what I'm saying. Learn to read your room. And everybody a friend. Yeah. Man drop out in their life and them own a friend to them so. You know we are talking about friend. What me I try to tell 3,000 people out there on my life. What them say cancel me. It's a friend. I will sometimes own a friend but we own a don't fall. Sometimes I will own a friend but we own a don't fall. We have seen this. Judas did the betray master over 30 pieces of silver. When I come to Ramesh and Gucci bag, I never beg Ramesh no Gucci bag. Ramesh see me performance and me the hand and my liquor. And wow, with myself at Swiss Sleep party, I was on the liquor. I enjoyed myself. And so I them buy more Gucci bag. I never beg Ramesh no Gucci bag. Him buy me to me accept it as a gift. What wrong with that? The pain story I joke me that make. But don't say because one I want to type and piss me off. Me don't want to pay from Ramesh. If I want to pay, me come beg it, yes, so. Dream team. If I want to pay, me come rank on the board and buy the paint.
It for Gracie. Me I tell you that. Me not like it, brother. Me not like it. Me like when she come over here and she do her live and the people them are encounter with her. Me not like that, brother. Me not like it. Me not like it, dog. Me not like it, bro. All of them will come over here and do it, Gracie. All of them will come over here and do it and get comfortable with them bumbleclad, careless people here, Gracie. Them career go one place where it never come back, bro. Me I tell you, Gracie. Gracie, God kill me, Gracie. Me not tell you no lie, dog. Me love you with the whole of my heart, bro. Me love you with the whole of my heart, bro. Me I beg you, please. Please, me I beg you, dog. Don't make them turn you in one of that. Please, me Gracie. Me I beg you, please, dog. Yo. Grace, you see what time forward, yeah? Not even DJ, them not DJ again. The whole of them are just full-time TikToker. Please, me I beg you, Grace. Me I beg you, please. Do, me I beg you. Don't make that something me I be your habit, bro. Please, me I beg you. Not even me no follow up. That's something me I, bro. Me I tell you, God truth, dog. Big one thing, Gracie. Me I tell you. Yo, Bro, me I tell you, come back today, come do what Gracie, make sure I give you a gift. I must see money you go come chew back over here. Please, me I beg you, Gracie, me I beg you, Gracie. No, come back over here, complain. Please, me I beg you. Gracie, me just want to hold you as a dancehall queen alone, girl. Queen, me just want to have you as a dancehall queen. Me just want to have you as bestie, just that alone. Me no... Queen, me no want nothing else for you more than that, Queen. God kill me if I lie, me I tell you. Please, me I beg you, dog. Me I beg you. Please, me I beg you. Just, please, me I beg you, dog. Please, me I beg you. Just me turn out in a gauge them, please. Just me turn out in a mock of them, dog. Please, me I beg you, dog. Me just I beg you. Just come over here, come give Grace. Come drop 2 bad gift and drop 2 lion and pass through and just... Please, me I beg you, man. Please, me I beg you. Do me I beg you, please. Please, me I beg you. Please don't beat me. Please, dog. Jesus Christ, Grace. Me I beg you, please. Me just want you to be a superstar. Me just want you to be a superstar, dog. Me just want you to be a superstar. The queen of dancehall and just... Please, Gracie. Please, me I beg you. Do. Jesus Christ, Grace. Please, me I beg you, please. Oh God. Grace, me I beg you, no please. Not to turn a TikToker, please. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Yo, my God. Me know say she enjoy herself, bro, but boy, if you see Gracie got turn out in a bumbuckler, Maca Diamond and Gage, bro. Please, Gracie, no, over here no nice. No make it no fun. Nobody can have no fun. Please, me I beg you. Please, Gracie, please. Please, me I beg you. No do it, Grace. Please, me I beg you. Please. And all the while, do me I beg you, Grace. Please. Jesus Christ. Oh, God. Please, me no want them just to take away your career. Please, me call her, me text her. Me know, me call her. Me no want this for you, Grace. You're a queen of dancehall. Yeah. Spice see me? Spice have me number and my regular address and fly me out on flights and pay for me Airbnb them, so she not saw me, she kinda got me. I saw she not saw me. I don't see Grace see me. She spectacle upon me. Like, when you mean Grace not see me, Grace see me, man. Near. She don't miss none of my birthday, them on Christmas and them things there. So what I hear say, Grace see me? Trust me, man, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Very sorry. As I should tell you, I don't play about her. You understand that way there? You see, when anyway you see Grace, ask Grace. Say, how do you feel about Pretty Dan? Just say that. Right? Because just say it. When you see her again, but say we're not just coming out, we live in a Grace heart, you know. So when you not see Grace again, say, Grace, how do you feel about Pretty Dan? Sweets, my love. Openly, you hear me and Grace, I know Grace, I'm at 12. From me at 12, I know Grace, because my mother used to work in her shop. Grace, you tell her, say, me I like her little daughter, like, love her, love me bad, love Pretty Dan bad. Yeah, man, I know in a real life kind of something. Real love with no strings attached. No smutty love, no nasty love like what Una talk about. Real love with no strings attached. Me a Spice big daughter. I like my mama that. Me no hear artists.
Alright, so my people, we're gonna go over Mackerel and Blinger here now. See, we watch a little bit more Pretty Than, then we go over Mackerel and Blinger. But me don't know if Pretty Than understand or she don't understand, cause here we go on. Remember, you know, artists are public figure, you know, and one of the worst things can happen to you, you know, are you being a famous person, well be known person, and you're broke. You see me I say? Remember me tell you that. Ask anybody who famous or popular. The worst thing them can be famous and broke. So here we go on, my people. Yo, here we go on. The rest of artists them were forward on TikTok and do a little thing and money them a try make. But I don't want to spice up on TikTok with everybody else I try make money certain way. No, it not gonna look good cause she done big and established and she are the queen, right? You don't look good for she over TikTok and look tops and roses. You know what I mean? So for the rest of artists them where do it, them have to make a money. And yeah, so at the place where them see them can make a money. So them I go done with music, although every artist we not now go on for is just one hit song away. You understand me I say? So right away, them can just, you know what I mean, Spice can just forward over TikTok every now and then, but not make it too much that she over if you get popular and stay out. You know what I mean, to get stay out certain way. So make we move on from this with people. I watch some more and move on.
When a boss. And if one song that up on Billboard, me not gonna hear it. If me can't buy it on Apple Music, yo, me go for my food. It's outside.
Nobody can do it. Nobody can do promotion better than me. The rest of them have to look on the phone. So nobody can do it.
Alright, so let me ask you one question. You see, I want you to tell me where the bring down there where you see in what happened the other day with Blinger. Where is the bring down? Please to tell me so I could address it.
And them attack, and them say things when I come give the man and somebody come over here and tell me say they see a poop on video. And they say Blinger is, how you know say Blinger? Give me the over there 2 cents.
Alright, but may I ask you as a TikToker, somebody will have sense because sometimes you have sense.
No,
but sometimes you have sense. But no why you tell me? Cause me not see it now. So maybe you can show me what they bring down there and that because number one, people can take down people picture off of something and say to people, you know. You know.
Me not make them mix me. Me not make them mix me. If the whole not tell him and say wrong, I will not talk. Me not have to talk.
And then thank you. Mackerel, don't have for that no. Don't have for that no. I'm here you talk and me don't have for that. Make we go pan with me and you go pan.
Talk to my comment section. I'm an audience.
Thank you so much.
Everybody, thank you so much. What may I say to you? Tell me the bring down where you see. Tell me the bring down where you see the other day with me. Tell me which part of that I bring down.
Bring me I tell you say, now listen to me I say. The people that look like them did a try a thing and it no work out. Them say you suck like a crocodile lizard and then they try a thing. You know that me I say? And I say bumbo like
alright, so when this video there, remember when the picture was moved from the person's face that was not Blinger, I know. But could make this make sense? Cause them a try the female and the gentleman a try so hard. But me don't know. It's gonna take a miracle to get me off of this. But listen to what I'm saying. The picture where them post Mackerel. Remember I know you go for your picture and post. Then you go download a video online and come post it and say I miss Bling. But could make this make sense, Mackerel?
Yeah.
But could make this make sense? Then post a next picture where them say I bling or suck something. After people remove the art with the funny person face, that was not Blinger. So how we go? Make we really reason how this go.
Boy, I bring me to life. Go come back, come okay, well I reason out it in my box.
When I reason out because like me saying, me don't have no other reason out because that is not me. None out of those 3 pictures and videos is not me. I don't say it already. I don't chat.
Wait, one question. Oh, I never you just suck off your neck with you then. That means I never you.
No, we're not speaking about that.
Oh. I don't want that.
We're talking about the explicit. We're speaking about the explicit videos and picture where drop.
The explicit. We never see it. But me think about, but I don't want them to see where you suck off the
And
neck.
then thank you. So tell me, where crime and it bring down? Still explain to me.
But the man the man say you never you did promise him foreign, you did promise him big life and so on really. Now that me hear over life I said must say a liar.
Okay, and if you not get it, what problem? Tell me.
Me don't know
What problem if you not get
this man
it?
make them come to me, not the bad man put me holding on this. I will be here.
Alright, so move forward. Move forward to something else.
Move
So
forward to
what are
something.
we then put out Italian? You believe a prank or it's real?
A prank, girl, prank. Just a prank.
You believe a prank or it's real?
Prank, and real life as real life. A prank.
Boy, every time I don't know what to believe no more when it come on to Italian because me no know, brother, me no know.
Italian, them a look forward. You know, say what day you bring away Jaden go Panama, and you know, say they did, five people pronounced don't a wild time. You know, the Italian are come by here come tell Jaden say, ima Jaden planet na, ima Jaden planet. Come by here come tell them about the can't go back a wild time and the man them say he can't come back a wild time. Then the next day Italian are come tell we say a prank. So all of a sudden now TJ did our incident and you did the same incident like TJ too. They like them tell to get people money but trying me give them no, trying me send them no paper thing, they really have much to say.